Hey everyone, let's try. This is the basic Python day 1. It's not like a course, it's like a tutorial, and I will help you every day and give you this opportunity to learn using my notes in Python. Here is the first testing the water, and this level is familiars you with the ML universe. You will learn a bit about everything. You can also in the deep is for the beginner. So first of all, we go the basic of Python. That is a if you are really as a beginner who know anything in Python, that's mean you feel this lot of thing. But if you are advanced or you know other languages like C++ or Java, that's mean you don't feel this is a difficult. But as you are beginner, so I think it should need your 1 week time, or if you're advanced person, so you maybe cover it 1 or 2 days, I feel. So here is my notes. So I want to share with you that's everything. First, print the function in Python. So if you want to print something, you just call it print hello world, or just something is a bracket, and here your sentence is like a string. If you want to write a string, you need to this column to set, and there is, and here is the if you want to two word together, that's is the you can use this and section, and there is a two word together. It's lovely, I love this. And here is my name, US Bangladesh. You can print anything in this your string. This called string. This string here, this is the basic type of Python I share with you. Is an int. Well, this number is the float, is pointed, is the decimal, we can say that, and is the complex real plus imagination, something like that. 1 plus 2j is called password something, and boolean is called we can bool, it's called true and false. And here the string we can talking, and here is the continuous type. Continuous type is the list, and tuple is immutable. That's mean you can change it, and list you can change. So is a sort is like a set. Sorry for that, my mistake. Set like a unique number you can duplicate in. And here is the dictionary. You can use most of the time in dictionary is the most useful. So you can key is this value, something first is the key, and this is the value is the key mean this is the address of this value. And here is the user defined type. It's the class. We can create a class and object. Let's try this. And here is this like big number, float limit. So let's try statistic and dynamic type. The Python type change during expression. String is the fixed type before runtime. State and dynamic. So here is this. It's like something is statistic or something is dynamic. Like statistic mean you can define this already is this int, or dynamically you not define this int, but it's default. Python understand this is the super powerful language. I love this. So that's the pretty good. And here is the keyword. You can use this in variable. So here is this all. It can be changed some new update. So it's not defined it now. That's the pretty good. Is this variable? You can see this is my variable. So I print this is my name as user input. So here is the user input. You can define your user input. You can just if you want to input in user, so you just create this input method, use this. So type conversation. Here is this. Sometime you can if you just try to integer or float plus, So that's come out of this. Mean 5 plus 5.6 is 10.6. Okay, perfect this. But if you want to try to type 5 and type this integer and float, but it's called this integer and that's the float that's give us. But if you never string plus integer is addition, this is give you error. So I hope you understand that, and this is so easy. And here is another. If you want to make this a string to integer, is possible, so you can do that. String, or this is the float. I think this is the pretty good, and this we just 6 minutes. So now try again. Numerical, string, literal, boolean, literal, and specific. Okay, here is this binary and decimal and octal, hexadecimal. If you know about this, I think you should need to Google and you understand. It's like decimal is like 0 to 9, and binary is called 0101. I made a mistake, maybe it's the B is not a B, it will be 0. That was the mistake, maybe I get. So whatever, I will fix it. So here is this variable, and if you try to paint, and this A is like this. Because of that, the float this is the float number, the integer, everything is called integer, and this is the float, and this is the complex. And here it is output. If you this binary number to print is here, this is the 10, not the 01010. It's not be this type output. As the decimal is decimal, always this number is integer, is the decimal. I hope you can understand this. It's truly easy. And here is the string. This is the Python. We create the string 1 and string 2. That's mean different to variable. I hope you can understand that. And char is mean character, and multi-line string. This is the if you want to multi-line string, that you can use this 3 this call, and this is the, if you want to string this 1, you can also use 1, and that is the char is a 1 sentence. In Unicode, you know about this Unicode, it's like emoji or row string, something is row type. And here this, if you just print all this, and that is the output, and then you understand this easily. And that's the boolean, that's the true and false give you. If that's true mean 1 and false means 0. If you count any integer to addition with any number, that is give you 1. Or if you want to add, that's 0, that's mean no plus point. So I hope you can understand. That is pretty easy, special. And sometimes you can add null. That way you can create a variable with null variable, so you can use this anytime, give the value another time. That's mean operator in Python. So there is the operator in Python. You can use a arithmetic, comparison, and logical, and bitwise, and assignment, sorry for my pronunciation, identity, and membership. I hope you can understand. Now this another video, we just now about learn if else. I hope you can understand this if how to work. First of all, that's we can understand the input, but we need to this from like gmail.com, or you can need to this. So this is the correct current version. But if user not use this, so this is email is not right. So here this email is a variable we need to input and use this input method. We know how to input this input. That's if this in email, so password will be, but if email will be and like password with that like something and print welcome, or else if or something is not so invalid, this password not correct, so input try again, and its password not 123, that is the incorrect password, goodbye, else this email is password not correct. That's the okay. I hope you can understand. Now our next session we can learn loop. First of all, we can show you this website. You can learn easily Python. Here is the basic learn basic Python is updated. So I hope you can learn this website. It's so powerful. I love this, and you can use W3 is the most powerful website. We can learn this basic topic, everything. You can see this and this, and now our target is learn. If else we learn already dictionary tuple, we learn everything. Now we learn for the loops. Next session we learn loop. So I hope you like this everything, and now we come back tomorrow class. So I hope you love this, and I want to say you goodbye.